Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part of a video series I want to create that it's called Makeup Look of the Month, which will contain a more sophisticated type of eye makeup look. This is the first video from the series, so if you're interested, then keep on watching. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos every week. See you next time. Bye.